Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I have 4 homes to show you guys in 3 different parishes and starting at 13 million Jamaican dollars. So let's jump right into the video. So let's take a look at this lovely home in 4 East, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. It's listed for 13 million Jamaican dollars or US $84,465 or 64,702 pounds. Now guys, this one is a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom property and it sits on a lot size of 1,100 square feet. Now guys, this one is a lovely one for persons who have a small family or a growing family, or someone who is looking for a home for themselves and somewhere they can rent out and get some income, because this one does have a 1 bedroom studio attached to the main home. So if you take a look, we don't have much pictures of the inside, but you can see at home based on the outside. You can see it has been well maintained, it's kept in good condition, and yeah, this one is up for grabs. If you are interested in any of these properties that I will show today, please guys, please listen to me when I say this. All the information will be in the description box of the video down below. All right guys, please just check the description box. So here you're seeing you have this lovely porch area, which is great for coming out in the evening times and lounging. As you can see in the restrooms, you don't have much work to do. All right, so it's nice enough, right? So seems as if you can move in and then just work on fixing everything and updating and doing your little renovation. So if you're interested in this one, link in the description box down below. Now I have a really impressive home to show you guys. This beautiful 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom property that's going for 18 million Jamaican dollars or US $116,951 or 89,588 pounds. This 4 bedroom property is located in Windsor Heights, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, you guys. This property is so lovely. As you can see, the yard is well fruited with lots of mature fruit trees. Okay, let's take a look on the inside. Here you have one of the restrooms. As you can see, the property is move-in ready. It's in a state where you can move in. Of course, if you want to go in and do your renovations, you will have the time to do so. You can move in, and over the few months or years that you're there, just take your time and improve on everything. All right guys, this home also has a studio apartment which is attached to the garage area. Now you can use this for guest accommodations, or it could be used as a helper's quarters. All right guys, so if you are interested in this one here, look at this living space. Look how it's so open and nice and airy. That's a really good spacious home. All right, if you're interested in this one guys, you are going to contact Kimberley Pownall at 876-872-5787. Her email is kimberleypownall@kellerwilliamsjamaica.com. And guys, as I said, all of this will be in the description box down below. It's always important. Every video, I put all the information there. Please do not respond to persons in the comments asking you to contact this number or saying that there's a discount on the homes. I always put the information in the description box, guys, down below. Like, do not fall victim to scams. Like, scammers are at an all-time high. Okay, they're getting clever. They're going after persons who are desperate, and persons are desperate for real estate now, guys. So if you are interested in this home or any home that I show you, just please follow the steps that I am giving to you. All information in the description box. Let's jump on over to Mandeville, Manchester to view this lovely $26 million property. All right, guys, this is a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2-story house. All right, and it's listed for 26 million Jamaican dollars or US $168,930 or £129,405. Now this one sits on a large spacious lot size of 11,310 square feet. You guys, this home boasts a kitchen, study, informal and formal dining room, living, TV, and a laundry room. And how this house is designed is that you can turn the downstairs, the lower level, into a one bedroom flat. All right, guys. And this house also has a 3,000-gallon water tank and a water pump. Some persons will know that Manchester has issues with water supply sometimes, so having this already in place is a great advantage for you. If you guys are interested in this home, I will leave the contact for the realtor in the description box down below, and I'll put it on the screen shortly. But let's take a look inside this home. As you can see, you have this open concept sort of living arrangement, really nice and open concept area. All right, guys, and when there's furniture, already in the home that is showing, I just ask you guys, to just imagine the home without all the furniture. Just look at the home for the bones of the home that it is like. All right, look at the walls, look at the concept, look at the layout and all of that. As you can see, the rooms are quite spacious. I like that about this home. You do have this nice study area, so this one will be great for persons who always take their work home, or persons who are even working from home permanently. All right, so nice home, great for a medium-sized family or a large family. All right, or for persons who have the desire to grow their family, and you're small now but you see yourself with a larger family down the road. So this one is a really good one for you. If you're interested, reach out to Anthea Domville at 876-919-4926 or A Domville at kellerwilliamsjamaica.com. Again, guys, I will put all her information, all her details in the description box down below. She's a listing agent. She is the person that you should contact if you are interested in this one here. Look at this bathroom, nicely renovated. As you can see, it has they have done some renovations recently, or it is one of those newer built homes. Like really, really, really nice property. So guys, do not hesitate with this one. You're getting a large lot size. You're getting just a well maintained property, as you can see. Really lovely. All right, so do not let this opportunity miss you if you're looking for one in Mandeville, Manchester. Again, I will leave all the realtors information in the description box down below. Lovely land, lovely house, nice sliding windows, really, really, really beautiful. Do not message anyone in the comments. Message the person, the realtor, that I am telling you guys about. All the information will be in the description box, and I know I may sound annoying, but I really have to say it. All right, guys. All right, cool. All right, guys, so if you're still watching, I'm asking you guys to give this video a like, subscribe, because obviously you love the content. All right, and let's take a look at the final property that I have to show you guys in today's video. Now this home is listed for 14 million Jamaican dollars, or US $90,962, or 69,679 pounds. This one is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, and it's located on CN Close in Angels Grove, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Let's look at this beautiful, beautiful home. As you can see, the bathroom and the majority of the home is well maintained. You do have some upper and lower cabinetry in this kitchen area. All right, so you don't have much pictures to see, but if you guys are interested, always reach out to the realtor. All right, as you can see, the home is walled and it has fencing and also grills for protection and all of that. And it does have a nice little small little front yard and side yard area where you could plant up some trees and some little bushes. All right, so you guys, this home sits on a lot size of 1,772 square feet, and as you can see, they have this nice open enough concept going in the home. All right, if you guys are interested in doing a viewing for this one, you can reach out to Jacqueline White at 876 313-2902. Or you can call her, email her, Jacqueline White at kellerwilliamsjamaica.com. So those are the only persons that you will reach out to. That's the only person, that you will reach out to. All right, guys? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Don't forget to share this video with a family member, a friend, a colleague. Okay, share this video, share it on your social media, share it on your WhatsApp, share it with someone. Alright you guys, stay tuned for new videos coming in the coming days. We're doing Vlogtober, so there are lots of videos. I have so many homes to show you. Like, expect a new video every day. Okay, we're dropping new videos every day on this channel. So until my next video, bye guys.